Hey everyone, let's dive into an exciting battle of AI technologies specifically designed for the digital marketers out there. Today we're comparing the new kid on the block, WP Genie, with the well-known Chat GPT. Which one will take the crown for transforming your WordPress experience? First off, WP Genie is not just another AI tool. It's a revolution in WordPress management and marketing automation. Imagine having a super intelligent assistant right within your WordPress dashboard. From updating your website automatically to handling complex coding tasks, WP Genie promises to do it all. Now you might be wondering, how does it stack up against Chat GPT? Well, Chat GPT is incredibly smart, but it operates separately from WordPress. This means there's a lack of direct integration, which can be a hurdle for seamless operation within your website. WP Genie, on the other hand, is designed to be fully integrated with WordPress. It's like it's built into the very fabric of your site. This integration allows for real-time updates and interactions, which is a game changer. You can create SEO-friendly content that not only captivates your audience, but also pleases the Google algorithms, skyrocketing your site's rankings. But that's not all. The real magic of WP Genie lies in its ability to adapt to your specific business needs. It learns from your preferences, making each task more tailored and effective as time goes on. This personalized touch could be a massive advantage for any digital marketer looking to automate their workflow and grow their business while they sleep. So, who wins in this battle of AI giants? If your world revolves around WordPress, WP Genie might just be the game changer you've been waiting for. With its direct integration and tailored automation, it certainly seems to have an edge for WordPress users. ChatGPT is no slouch, but for WordPress-specific tasks, WP Genie takes the trophy. That's it for today. Whether you're a seasoned digital marketer or just starting out, knowing which tools can enhance your workflow is crucial. Keep exploring, keep innovating, and let AI like WP Genie help you transform your digital landscape. See you in the next video.